So welcome guys to this beautiful tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be looking at the binary multiplication. Alright. So let's quickly do some examples of binary multiplication. So when we have one um 0 times one one one. So this is just basic multiplication, right? So which is very simple. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. All right. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Now 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Alright, so now we'll do the addition here. But before we do, let me just add zeros to the empty space here. So we have another zero here, we have another zero here. Now if I'm to solve this, well, I just and for the mental level, I'll first of all add these two first before I add this third one. So let's say if we come here, I can try to add this one, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, which is the first row. Then the second row is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Alright, so take it down using the addition rule. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, we carry 1, so the 1 will carry will be here. Now, 0 plus 1 is 1, plus this one here, right, is actually 0 again, carry 1. So 0 plus 0 is 0, then you put then this one. Right? So let's do this one. So we have, so bring down this one. So we add this one now. So we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So we do the addition. So this 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 0 plus 0 will give you 0. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. 1 plus 1 will give you 0. Carry 1. So that 1 we bring it here. So the answer to this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So that is the answer base 2, right? That is the answer. So let's try to do another one. You can see how simple it is, right? So let's try to do 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 0. Let's add on the 0 here. And let's add 0 here. So now this times this is 0. This times this is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 1 again is also 0. Now this times this is 0, this times this is 0, this times this is 0, this times this is also 0. This times this is 0, this times this is 1, this times this is 1, and this times this is 1. So the same thing, we have the 1, 1, 1, and 0. So if we add up 0 to the empty space, then 0, we have 0 here, we have 0 here, we have 0 here, we have 0 here, we have 0 here. So we have another 0 here, we have 0 here, we have 0 here, we'll put another 0, we put another 0, we put another 0. Now, following the same principle, like I said, I'm going to add this. So you can see the first row and second row are all zeros, right? So let's add these together, the the third and the fourth together, right? So the third and the fourth, right? Since these are all zeros, so let's add it's on the fourth. So we have this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. Now this one will be 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, right? Plus that one here will be 1, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So we add 1 here. So this is the answer, which is in base 2. Alright, so let's try to do another one. So let's do 1, 1, 0 times 1, 1. Okay, so 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add zeros to the empty space here. So if I were to add this one here, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, then 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Plus that one is 0, plus 1 will carry from here is 0, carry 1, so we have this. So that is how the multiplication works. So for you to be able to understand division multiplication, so I advise you guys to look at the addition and subtraction. If not, the division multiplication will be difficult for you to understand because of the rules of subtracting while dividing. After dividing, also the rules of adding after multiplication. Right, so thank you and God bless you. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at octa multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then we'll look at hexadecimal. So we'll not look at decimal because decimal is actually straightforward. So thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, right? Because there are so many videos we'll be uploading, especially AI videos, fundamental levels. I'll be uploading a linear algebra, how the probability, how you can be able to design models that can make computer act intelligently. So I'm going to be exposing some of the techniques for you guys as you watch my videos. Thank you and God bless you.